President Donald Trump announced Tuesday that Venezuela is set to provide the U.S. with 30 million to 50 million barrels of oil following the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. Trump said the interim authorities of Venezuela, which is currently being led by Vice President Delcy Rodriguez following Maduro's exit, agreed to provide the oil barrels. The transfer of the barrels will be done immediately, according to Trump, who said the oil will be brought directly to U.S. docks. Venezuela has the most oil reserves in the world and is estimated to have roughly 300 billion barrels in untapped reserves. Following Maduro's capture, Trump claimed the rebuilding of Venezuela's oil infrastructure would come at no cost to the US. The president said the revenue generated from selling oil acquired from Venezuela would go towards the country's infrastructure, which is particularly poor when it comes to its oil facilities. It's unlikely gas prices for American consumers will drop, at least in the short term future, according to experts. Patrick DeHaan, Gas Buddy's head of petroleum analysis, said in a statement Monday that Maduro's arrest could possibly raise oil prices slightly due to uncertainty around Venezuela's leadership structure. He added potential increased oil output from Venezuela could drop global crude oil prices long term, quote, especially if the US is successful in raising investment in Venezuela's crumbling infrastructure. Venezuela's position as an oil reserves leader has been undercut by underinvestment into its own oil industry in addition to poor infrastructure. US sanctions on the country's access to oil markets have made it difficult for the industry to conduct business, as former President Barack Obama and Trump have placed their own respective sanctions on Venezuelan oil. The country's oil is also more expensive to extract and refine due to its thick and dense makeup. Major oil stocks reacted positively Monday following Maduro's ouster, with companies like Chevron, ExxonMobil, and ConocoPhillips and Valero all rising at least 2%. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.